Michelle Edwards here with Trailhead Accounting Solutions. Hey, thanks for joining us. Today I want to teach you how to create an invoice. So let's say in your business you are selling a product or a service and you have somebody that bought it and you need to send them an invoice so you can collect payment from them. It's super easy, so let's get started. Just so you know, I'm working in QuickBooks 2013 today and I've got a sample company open, so some of the dates might look a little funky to you, and that's why. So first step is we'll come over here to the Create Invoices. Click on that and your invoice window will open up. So we'll go ahead and enter in our customer who we want to invoice. I've, as you can see, already kind of have a bunch of customers set up. If you want to add a new one, you would just click Add New. And it's super simple. You just type in their name. You can put in any contact information that you want, and then down here is where you put their billing address. You can also change, their payment settings, sales tax settings, kind of any other information you want for them. But today, to keep it simple, we are going to just use a customer that I already have. Then down here you can pick the date that you want your invoice. Typically it'll be today's date, but let's say if you're billing something for rent for next month, you would go ahead and put in January 1st. Or if you're not shipping your product for a couple weeks, you might want to put the date that your product shipped as your date. The invoice number QuickBooks will automatically calculate, so just leave that alone. If you track purchase order numbers, you can put that here. This is where you change their payment terms. Let's say the invoice is due in 30 days, so we'll do that. If you track your sales reps, you can put sales reps in here and any kind of other information you want. Down here is where we really kind of get to the heart and soul of the invoice. So let's go ahead and pick an item code. Your items are all the products and services that your business sells that you bill your customers for. And these again are already set up. If you do need to set up a new one, you just click Add New. But we'll save that for another webinar to teach you how to set up items. Today we'll just do simplicity. We'll say that they hired us to do some custom landscape design work. So the item will already have all this populated then for you. So it already puts in your description, the price per hour, and we'll say that it took us 3 hours to do the landscape design work. And then QuickBooks will automatically calculate 3 times the 55 an hour, so 165. If you do sales tax, you can pick if it's a taxable or non-taxable sales. And that is it. A little trick that I like to do, I always like to say thank you for your business. I think it kind of adds a personal touch and a friendly touch to the invoice, but you don't have to. Something I like to do. If you're all done, then you can come down here and you can save and close or save and new if you want to add more. Or if you want to go ahead and send this invoice right now, they're going to want you to save the invoice. And then after you save it, you can come over here and you can either print it and print it on paper, or you can save it as a PDF so you can attach it to your own email, or you can click here and it'll, QuickBooks can automatically, I don't know what I'm trying to say, can automatically connect to your webmail programs, and you can email your invoice. So that's how you would send it. But today, for simplicity, again, I'm just going to hit save and close. And that's it. So that is how you create an invoice. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to contact me if you need any help. Thank you. Have a great day.